Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a case study question from chapter Triangles. Concept is scale factor and similarities. Application of size transformation. Here you can see this letter L and we are getting three-dimensional shape for this letter L by using the method of size transformation. So this concept of size transformation we are using here, and second method is which we are also using here. We are taking this application that the image formation by a half turn. This is a AB an object, and we are making its half turn and we are getting the image by a using scale factor. So these two applications, this also you are studied in physics, that how the image of an object is formed in front of a mirror or lens. So this concept we are using here to find these some problems here. So let us discuss these problems here. Now first is this A dash B dash is the image of a candle AB produced by a box camera. Give the measurement of the figure, find the height of the candle. So if you see in this diagram, this box, the length of this box is 5 centimeter and the distance of the candle from this face point O, which is on this face, front face, is 25 centimeter, and O to the image A dash B dash is 5 centimeter, because this is given here, size of this box is given. So scale factor which is used here is 5 and 25, so it is 1:5, because this is 5 times, so scale factor is 1:5. Now the size of the image is given, we need to find the size of the candle, so that will be 5 times also. So 3 5s are 15, so length of this candle will be 15 centimeter, which is second option. Now in second condition it is given, here also we are using the method of size transformation. This size is 2.5, this height is 2.5 and this height is 7.5. So here also the scale factor which are used here is 1:3, because this is 3 times. We have to find the value of x here. So the question is given that in this you have to find the scale factor and length of x. In the given scale figure, describe the size transformation, be center O, find the scale factor and length x. So here the scale factor is 3 times, so scale factor is 3, all is used here. These A, C and D are the options here. Now let us check which is the right option. Now to find x, we will use the method here that these two triangles, triangle ABO and triangle CDO, these are similar by angle similarity. So we will use the condition here that if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So I will write here AB is the side of this triangle, then corresponding side is CD, equals to, now base OB, and then corresponding base is OD for second triangle. Now we will put these values. AB is 7.5, CD which equals to 2.5, OB which equals to x plus 3, and OD which equals to x. So you can cancel these, so and then multiply, it become 3x equals to x plus 3. This x will go to this side, it will become 2x equals to 3. So from here we will get x equals to 3/2. So here the scale factor is 3 and length of x is 3/2. Now next part, what will affect the similarity of two polygons? So they are translated down, because we are getting this by the method of size transformation. Then they are not the mirror image of one another. Yes, they should be mirror image of one another. Then they are flipped horizontally. Yes, we can obtain by flipping horizontally. They are dilated by a scale factor. By any scale factor we can obtain the similar figure. So here this option B is here, because we need these to be the mirror image. So it is written not the mirror image, they should be mirror image. So B is the option here, that this will affect the similarity. Now next part is, now here it is given, this is a pyramid. Base of the pyramid is ADE and backside is C. The side is 30 meter F, G, H and I are the midpoints of the sides which is given here. What is the length of FG? F and G, what will the length which is this side FG of the edge of the pyramid have the length equal to the size of the base. So to find the length, this we will solve by this method. Here A, D, E, C is the base of pyramid which is size is 30 meter. F, G, H, I are the midpoints. So when we join any of the midpoints, suppose we are taking this front side HI. So by midpoint theorem, this HI will be parallel to AD and half of AD. Similarly, this FG will be parallel to CE and half of CE. So because all sides are equal, which is 30-30, so this GF will be half of this 30 equals to 15 meter. So answer will be here 15 meter by midpoint formula, midpoint theorem. Now this is the last question, that you have to find the value of x in term of A, B and C. So here if you see the triangle KNO and KLM, angle this 60 degree, these are equal and angle K is common. So here triangle KNO is similar to triangle KLM by angle similarity. So in this condition the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So this KN will be KN over KL because these are the corresponding sides, equals to ON over LM. So the ratio of corresponding side is equal to KN is A and KL is total A plus C. This ON is B and ML is X. So when we cross multiply this, we will get here AX equals to B into A plus C. So from here X equals to B into A plus C by A. So let us check the answer here. So this answer is last option, B into A plus B, A plus C over A. So this is the answer here. So these are the answers for these questions. Thank you.